In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a store in Trader Joe's. If you're planning a grocery run or traveling and want to see what's nearby, this quick walkthrough will show you how to use the official website to locate a store, get directions, or review key details before you head out. First, open your preferred web browser and go to traderjoes.com. On the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see a link labeled Stores. Click that to open the store locator. You should now be on the Find a Trader Joe's page, which shows a search box and a map. If a notice, banner, or pop-up appears and covers the page, simply close it so you can see the search area clearly. Next, click inside the search field labeled Enter Zip Code or City and State. You can type either a 5-digit zip code or a city and state combination. For example, enter something like 3309 or Austin TX. Then press enter on your keyboard or use the on-screen search control to start the search. Once your results load, take a moment to browse the stores that appear. You'll typically see a list view on one side and pins on the map. Results are generally sorted by proximity to the location you entered. If you want to explore more options, scroll through the list or drag and zoom the map to check nearby neighborhoods and surrounding towns. If the results seem off, double-check the spelling or zip code and try again. When you find a location that looks right, you have two clear choices. If you're ready to head out, choose the option to get directions. This opens your default map service in a new tab or app with the address pre-filled, so you can pick your route and start navigation quickly. If you want more information first, select the option to view store details. The details page typically shows the street address, current hours, notes about special hours or temporary changes, and other helpful information to plan your visit. It's a good place to confirm opening times, especially around holidays or during local events. And that's all you need. By starting at traderjoes.com, using the store's link in the top menu, entering a zip code or city and state, browsing the nearby locations, and then choosing directions or store details, you can find the perfect Trader Joe's for your trip in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!